This video provides instructions on how to install railing when using the Trex RainEscape system. When installing a railing that's attached to the first and last joist, space joists 3.5 inches apart, inside to inside. Mark and install the post between the two joists. Measure and cut 2x4 flat blocking to fill the spaces between the posts. If you're installing a flush mount post, please refer to Trex railing post installation instructions found on Trex.com. After the railing is in place, install the adjacent trough and downspouts following the respective installation videos. Measure the area that needs to be covered with trough material and cut a roll down to the desired width. Dry fit the trough material. Trim around the post if necessary. The trough material should cover all exposed wood and extend over the edge of the joist and 1 inch into the adjacent bay. Lift the trough and apply a heavy bead of the Trex RainEscape caulk to caulk the seam between the flat blocking and joists. Staple trough into place. Use the Trex RainEscape butyl tape to cover all joists and seams and anywhere a deck screw might penetrate. When you're installing railing at the rim joist, there are two methods. Identify which bay the post will be installed into. Cut vertical cross blocking and install it to pinch the post into place so the post can be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then cut a 2x4 the size of the opening. Screw the 2x4 flush with the top of the joist. Now you must decide if you want to cantilever the rest of the bays or fill in and flat block. If you're cantilevering the bays, install the downspouts in a straight line so the gutter below the deck will be straight as well. At each bay opening, run a cantilever trough back into each of the downspouts so it drains into the existing trough, following the trough installation instructions. If you're flat blocking the bays, install a vertical joist and lay 2x4 flat blocking into each bay. See our flat blocking video for installation instructions. If you're using a 4x4 inset post, repeat the same installation method, but leave holes in the flat blocking to slide the 4x4 post into place, following the manufacturer's instructions. If you're using a 4x4 post flash, slide it down 2 to 3 inches from the top of the joist. Run a bead of caulking around the base of the post and slide the sleeve down so it fits flat onto the joists. Use the Trex RainEscape butyl tape to seal all seams around the base of the post. If using a sleeve, run a strip of tape around the top of the post flash and wood posts. Slide the sleeve over the post and secure. If no post sleeve is used, trim the post flash to the height of the finished deck and make sure the tape is not visible over the top of the decking boards. Use the butyl tape to cover all joists and seams connecting the flat blocking trough to the adjacent trough, as well as anywhere a deck screw might penetrate. If you're installing a flush mount post, install the decking first. Mark where the railing will be located. Drill the holes and install the post. Use a small bead of caulk around the drilled hole before the post is placed to make it a watertight seal.